Hi everyone, this is Kishore from appsdba.info. We have another very good topic on Oracle eBusiness Cloud Manager. This is a new tool which will help you to do sort of a provisioning, a single instance, a two node instance. You can do lift and shift, you can do cloning, you can do backups. So, and it's also a GUI tool. But in order to install it, we have to follow this document, which is around 142 pages. I'm going to show you how to do this installation. But nevertheless, I have already installed it, and I just want to show you as a demo for you. So this is the Oracle eBusiness Cloud Manager. So what you can do is you can provision. So for example, if you want to provision a single instance, you can click one click and provide all the details, like whatever the versions you want and the database you select, and you do a provision. So if you want to install a two node installation, you can click including 12.1.3, 12.2.8, 12.2.9. So then you need to go to advanced, right? Select your compartment, right? And here if you are interested on 12.1.3 and you want to practice an upgrade, you can do that. See, you have 12.1.3, 12.2.8, 12.2.9, 12.2.10, 12.2.11, right? So suppose for example you take 12 to 13, again you have two databases, you have 11.2.4 and 11.1.0 to database, right? So you can do a provisioning single instance and two instances. I have already installed the 12.1.3 database. If you see, it is successfully completed, and also it helps you to do a lift and shift. I have already did a lift and shift. In order to do a lift and shift, if you click this advanced, right, and select your compartment, and here if you see, select your compartment. So I have already did a lift and shift, and this is it comes to an object storage, and this is the backup, and now I just have to do a clone, right? Apart from that, we can perform clone. Suppose for example you already have one instance, and if you want to take a backup, you can do a backup. If you want to do a clone, you can clone. So one tool you have which can help you to do a provisioning of single instance, multi instances. It can helps you to do a lift and shift, it helps you to do cloning, and it helps you to do take a backup, right? So what more you want? But in order to implement it, I'm going to show you, I'm going through all of these steps from the scratch. It's around 142 page document, but once you have this, you can do all the activities what has been mentioned. Thanks for watching.